Please check the video description for the complete recipe. Welcome back to Coffee Cooking, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to make sticky toffee pudding or dates toffee pudding. So don't go away, stay tuned with me, Angga Dewa. The ingredient you need to make a sticky toffee pudding: 230 gram fresh chopped dates, or you can use dried one, 70 gram of butter, 150 gram of flour, 50 gram of caster sugar. You can use brown sugar for a classic look, coupled with black treacle, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda, 200 ml of boiling water, and a drop of vanilla essence. Add 200 ml of boiling water into the chopped dates. And then add bicarbonate soda. Mix well. And then leave for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dates should be soft enough just to mash with fork. And then we transfer the dates to the bigger bowls. Add caster sugar, and then we blend it with the mixer. After all the sugar dissolves, we stop mixing them. Add butter and then mix well. Next, we add flour. And then continue to mix them. Next, add the baking soda. Next, add eggs. And then mix it again until incorporated. Now the sticky toffee pudding mix done. If you want a little bit darker, then you can add black treacle or molasses. Add a pinch of salt and then give a good mix. Okay, next, just grease your pudding mold with butter or oil, and then just pour your mix into the pudding mold like that. Okay, next we're going to steam the sticky toffee pudding. So here we are, the steamer already boiling. You just add your toffee pudding in there, like so. Cook them for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes steaming, it's time to check. Here we are. Sticky toffee pudding. Need to insert a bamboo skewer, like so, right in the middle. And if it come out clean, that's mean the sticky toffee pudding cook. Okay, here we are. And then just lift up your sticky toffee pudding and pour in the caramel sauce. Here we are. We try it now. Should be very tender, very soft. Here we go.